Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a rare model. Features also include steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2019 Niro. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, cruise control.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.